I'm inviting you to move your body with me. In this video, we are going to be doing something you already know. The alphabet, our A, B, C's. We're gonna do a little sign language. We're gonna move our bodies. We're gonna do some fun review. Get ready. Let's start with a warm-up. As we warm up our bodies, we are also going to warm up our voice. Reach over to one side and say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Reach to the other side and say, ah, ah, ah. Bend your knees, open your hands and your mouth real wide. Say, wow, 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 wow. And now you're going to do and say, twist, twist, twist. Other side, twist, twist, twist. Let's speed that up. Ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. Again, ooh, ah, wow, 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 wow. Twist, twist. What letter does your name start with? Okay, we're gonna do some jumping jacks while we say the alphabet. When we get to the letter that your name starts with, you can do a little something funky. Switch it up. Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. American Sign Language is a manual language. That means you use your hands to speak. People who are deaf, who can't hear or can't speak, use this to communicate. Let's go through the alphabet in sign language. Do it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome! Now we know our ABCs in sign language. Now let's get up and move our bodies. For each letter, I want you to pretend you have a big giant marker and you're gonna write the letter in front of you in space. You can write the uppercase letter and the lowercase letter. Then we're gonna use our entire bodies to either draw the letter in space or make the shape with our bodies. You can find different ways to do each letter. Be totally creative, use any part of your body, and remember, there's no wrong answer. A. alphabet. Now, think about the letters that are in your name. Now let's use our whole bodies to spell out our names. Ready? Let's go. That's awesome. I wish I could see each of you do your own letter name dances. Now it's time to cool down. Make sure that you're sitting up or standing up nice and tall. We're going to use our hands as we take a deep breath to scoop the air around us. Again. Last one. Now give yourself a squeeze and a pat on the back. And go ahead and tell yourself something that you like about yourself. Here's an idea for something you can do later. You can keep practicing your A, B, C's, and you can also write a poem using the letters in your name. Write down each letter of your name, and for each letter, write a word or sentence that starts with the letter to describe you. And then you'll have a poem that's very unique to who you are. Thanks so much for moving your body and your hands and using your imagination to explore something we already know so well, our alphabet.